Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I'm at the scrapyard, you can see in the background, and we're looking for some aluminum tubing and just some other stuff that I might be able to make something out of. So let's see what we can find. So it looks like they're loading up some scrap into the dumpster. Let's see, we got some aluminum here. Looks like 1.5 inch diameter. So I'm gonna buy that. And there's a whole bunch of rods. Looks like 3/4 inch solid steel rods. I think they're 18 inches long. Yeah, I may buy some of those as well. Let's see what else we can find. What I ended up with was this. It's about 30 feet of number 2 aluminum wire. All this aluminum angle. These 3/4 rods. 2 piece aluminum pipe. And I bought these. I got something like these. So I got all this for $25. So you want to heat up 2 to 3 times the diameter of the rod you're bending. And we're just bending this to a 45. So this is what we're making, 2 of these. Yeah, so that matches up. you.